So, how do you find the right sharpening angle? For beginners, many sharpening tutorials suggest using coins or having the blade vertically 90 degree, 45 degree, 18 degree, or measuring by finger weight. But blade weights vary, so those methods aren't always reliable. More importantly, they don't eliminate angle inconsistency during sharpening. And inconsistent angles lead to inconsistent results. That's why I recommend using a guided knife sharpener, especially for beginners. You can easily set the exact sharpening angle you want, no matter the blade weight or the degree you prefer. The angle can be adjusted precisely. Once the angle is set, simply follow the sharpening stroke back and forth along the guide. The motion becomes consistent and controlled. Throughout the entire process, the angle remains fixed. This ensures consistent angle control and removes the uncertainty of manual sharpening. When you feel a burr forming along the edge, flip the knife over and sharpen the other side for the same number of passes. Once both sides are even, move to a leather strop to remove the burr completely. After that, your knife is sharp and ready to use.